Hello, my lovely people. Hopefully, you've been doing well. This is mainly for my traders or my people who want to become traders, right? So, as you can see, because if you're living in the United States, you know it's a lot that's going on with our economy, our change of presidency. He came through and changed up some laws and some policies that we initially had, and it's taken a toll on the citizens of the United States. Um, so with that being said, we know that inflation has been around for quite some time now. It was before his presidency, to be honest. Um, we got housing market is insane. To buy a little shack, you is like $100,000. Um, and rent is crazy. Rent is to live in the hood is like $1,200. So, and the jobs are depleting. One, because of AI. Two, just because people are downgrading. They don't know what's going on with the economy. And then just downgrades. Then you got of course, the inflation with food, the cutbacks on food stamps, Medicaid for, SNAP recipients, things of that nature. You got all these changes that's going on. But one thing that has not changed, y'all, is that market. That market is still making all-time highs. And if y'all don't see that, you got your blinders on. You got all this inflation, all these troubles going on here. You got the tariffs going on. You got all these troubles going on, right? Then you got gold hitting the all-time high. Gold was almost at what? I think it was at 4,100. Last time I looked at it, because I don't really trade gold, was like 1,800, y'all. So when I seen that, I was like, whoa. So you got gold going up. You got all-time highs, NASDAQ, S&P, Dow, the Russell. If you're not investing, if you can, because I know a lot of people, we living from pillar to post, unfortunately. But if you're not investing, or if you want to become a trader and you've been thinking about it, you just been procrastinating, please look into it. Because I will tell you now, the only thing that has not changed in a bad way is these markets. These markets is creating liquid, and you have an opportunity to create that freedom for your family. Now, I'm speaking as a person who is trading as we speak, and I'm growing in trading as well. So this is coming from a person who's in your steps right now, is in your same area. I'm not one of those big gurus out here making 6 figures, 7 figures right now. And I'm saying right now because I'm going to speak that into existence, because God has blessed me with this information. But please, 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 please get into trading if you want to get into trading. Don't get into trading and think that's just going to change your life overnight. It's not. You got to have a passion for it. You got to sleep, eat, and breathe trading. You got to literally dream about trading. Like, it's my kids to tell you, like, there's not a time that I'm not at my desk and I'm not looking at charts. Like right now, I'm turning around, I'm looking at charts, y'all. So, you got to sleep, eat, and breathe it. You got to want it. Because this market, I'm going to tell you now, this market will either pay you or eat you up. And I say that in not a sarcastic way. I'm so serious. It's been times where I rethought this. I mean, a lot of times. So please, 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 please rethink your why. And if you want to get into the market, please study, please find a mentor, find someone or a team or a group who can feed into you and it can answer any questions that you have. A lot of these gurus out here, they have these courses that they sell, but they're not available to mentor one-on-one. And I think that's what you need when you start off. So try to find a mentor. Try to find someone who trades the way that you like. Try to find your own way of trading too. And don't be out here thinking that you got to trade exactly how somebody else trade. Trading is like DNA. It's while it's somewhat similar, everybody has their own specific way that they trade. Like I can trade ICT, but I do some things that's outside of ICT. Like sometimes if I see a trend, I'm throwing the trend line up there. I'm throwing fibs up there sometimes. So just focus on one, if you want to do this. It is one of the hardest things in the world to do. 2, are you passionate about it? 3, are you going to put the work in? Are you going to study? Are you going to get bags up under your eyes because you up studying? Are you going to take away from going to hang out with your friends and going to party and going to do this and do that? Are you going to sacrifice saving some money to fund your account? Are you going to back test? Are you going to demo trade? It's a lot that go into it, y'all. It's like a business. You can turn this into a business, or you can open it up to avenues of funding different businesses. So if you are thinking about it, please take it serious. It's a wonderful thing. I love trading. I love it with a passion. I always thank, God for blessing me with the opportunity to trade and to be able to turn this into something. So I'm going to do the work. And hopefully in a couple years, y'all see I'm going to be making 6-7 figures. Hopefully sooner than that. But we taking it slow. So, all right. If you need me, I am here. You're welcome to ask any questions. But please look into it if you really are. Pray on it. If you are a praying person, please pray on it. Please pray on it. Because I'm telling you now, the markets are amazing. Yes, they will open up emotions that you ain't know you had. But I will tell you now, there's never a doubt in my mind that I don't regret trading. So y'all enjoy your day and please look into it. Have a good one. God bless.